Hi, today we are going to learn about measuring and comparing volume and capacity. First of all, what is volume? The amount of space used by an object or that is enclosed within an object. Now what is capacity? Capacity is defined as the maximum quantity that something or an object can hold. Units of capacity and volume. Capacity can be measured in liters and milliliters. Liters is the standard unit of capacity. Liter is represented as small l, whereas milliliter is represented as small ml. Liter is a bigger unit and milliliter is a smaller unit of capacity. Did you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters? Let us discuss one example here. The capacity of the jug is 3 liters. The scale is going up in 1 liter. So, the second line represents 2 liters. We can say that the volume of the liquid in the jug is 2 liters. Now, how we can measure capacity and the volume? We use measuring jugs to know the capacity of the containers. How to compare the capacity and the volume? Here, the volume of liquid in jug A is 2 liters, whereas the volume of liquid in jug B is 1 liter. As we know that 2 liters is more than 1 liter, so we can say that volume of liquid in jug A is more than the volume of liquid in jug B. Let us discuss one example with different units. Here, the volume of the liquid in container A is equal to 1000 milliliter, which is same as that of 1 liter. The volume of liquid in container B is 1 liter, whereas the volume of liquid in container C is 500 milliliters. So, the volume of the liquid in container A is the same as the volume of liquid in container B. But the volume of liquid in container C is less than the volume of the liquid in container B and container A. Let's try another question. Can you find out the amount of liquid in the container? We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. The given scale is divided into 10 equal parts. That means 1 liter or 1000 milliliters is divided into 10 equal parts. When we divide 1000 into 10 equal parts, each part is worth 100 milliliters. Therefore, the given scale is going up in the hundreds. So the volume of the liquid in the container is 700 milliliters.